Hello everyone. Today we have a very important information for the student of 12th appearing and passed. Vibrant Academy is organizing a 25 days online workshop for the preparation of IPMAT and JIPMAT exam. This exam is for all streams, science, commerce and arts. Out of 20 IIMs, 5 IIMs are there who conducts their IPM program, which are IIM Indore, IIM Rohtak, IIM Ranchi, IIM Jammu and IIM Bodh Gaya. 5-year IPM program launched in IIM Indore in 2011. In IIM Rohtak, it was launched in 2019. And in IIM Ranchi, IIM Bodh Gaya and IIM Jammu, it was launched in 2021. The number of seats in IIM Indore is 150. In IIM Rohtak, it is 160. In IIM Ranchi, it is 120. In Bodh Gaya and Jammu, 60 seats are there. The eligibility of this exam is 60% aggregate in 10th class. 60% marks are required in 12th class. Year of passing 12th class is 2019, 20 and 21. The paper pattern of this exam is divided in 3 parts: quantitative ability, verbal ability and reading comprehension, data interpretation and logical reasoning. Further, quantitative ability is also divided in 2 parts: MCQs and short answer type questions. Now, the mode of conduction of IPMAT exam is written mode, whereas JIPMAT is CBT mode. The duration of this exam, 120 minutes in IPMAT and 150 minutes in JIPMAT. The number of questions are 100 question is asked in all the exams except IIM Rohtak, which asks 120 questions. So these are the sections of IIM Indore: quantitative ability, verbal ability. IIM Indore, quantitative ability, logical reasoning, verbal ability. In IIM Ranchi, quantitative ability, verbal ability and short answer type questions. IIM Jammu, quantitative ability, data interpretation and logical reasoning and reading comprehension. There is no negative marking in short answer type question. You will get +4 marks for every correct answer and -1 will be deducted for every wrong answer. The fees of the exam of IPMAT is generally 4,000 rupees approx and JIPMAT is 2,000 rupees approx. IIM Indore and IIM Rohtak conduct their IPMAT exam, whereas IIM Jammu and IIM Bodh Gaya conduct their JIPMAT exam. IIM Ranchi accept IPMAT score conducted by IIM Indore and SET score also. This is the syllabus of these exam, in which 3 parts are there: quantitative ability, logical reasoning and verbal ability. Some extra details of this exam is, this exam is available in English medium mode only. Number of seats is 550 in these 5 IIMs. Age limit is 20 years for general category and 22 years for ST/SC category. Seat reservation is for OBC NCL 27%, for general EWS 10%, for SC it is 15% and for ST 7.5%. For PWD 5% reservation is there. The placement record of these colleges are 100%. This is the placement record of IIM Indore. Now what we are offering to you, we are offering 66 lecture of 1 hour plus 3 mock tests are also provided to you on each Sunday, and study material, topic wise study material will be also provided to you.